If autism was primarily discussed as a brain-body disconnection and sensory difference, there would be a lot less ignorant assumptions, treatments, and societal limits. There would actually be a lot more accommodations and technology that would be helpful immediately. Until it is no longer characterized as a mental or behavioral disorder, our behaviors will continue to be considered unwanted and remain misunderstood. I feel like this is not talked about enough amongst medical professionals, and parents or professionals may not understand it. It seems to me that neurotypical people's bodies are so controlled, they barely think about it. They assume atypical movements are done on purpose or can easily be controlled by their minds. This is obvious from people getting angry someone bumped into them or stepped on their shoes. I can't fathom making someone that accountable for erroneous movements, from actually producing speech to basic tasks. It is just not the case that our minds are connecting properly to our bodies, and it's unfair that our behaviors are deemed unwanted or purposeless. Neurotypical people have the luxury of being able to judge movements and think they coincide with the thought that person had in mind. We get unfairly judged by our movements. Imagine a child that knows their body is going to run away from something, even if they want to stay where they are. Imagine this child bangs their arms against the wall or their own thighs instead and successfully blocks the impulse. A typical child would be praised for being proactive and for knowing their body and thinking ahead. If said child can't communicate why they are hitting their thighs, they will get chastised for either behavior, even though they made a great choice. I'm not saying autistic kids can't be naughty like any other kid. I am just saying a child with great body control that can communicate won't get thought of as naughty nearly as much as an autistic child or even adult.